Hello, how are we doing? Just thought I'd do a little recorded version of the repair cafe today. So today I am going to be working on a very old jumper of mine. It's got some very frayed sleeve, so I'm going to be doing a little contrast repair with some embroidery floss to fix this up together. So I've got my needle and thread. It's 3 strands of embroidery floss. I've picked this nice golden brown colour, and I'm just going to start in at the bottom here on the inside, and I'm just going to be running a back and forth stitch and create a nice solid build up of, I guess what's called satin stitch in embroidery. So it's just where you're laying flat stitch over and over. So this is a visible mend, it's not going to be invisible. You will totally see this at the end, but hopefully that's what's going to make it really nice and interesting. So I've just started sewing. I am using a pin to keep my 2 pieces of fabric together, and I am just going to start sewing little satin stitches all the way up. I'm going to miss space for a stitch in each one, and then I'm going to work my way back down. Okay, so now I've got my basis of my stitch down. I'm going to work back down the way and just make that into a nice wee solid block of colour. So now I've got my built up stitches, my little golden repair is done, and I'm just going to knot it off on the inside and cut it off. So that is me done. I've now got to work around all of this as well. So wish me luck, guys. I hope you're having a lovely week. Bye!